Everyone. I'm going to walk you through the user interaction flow of the Skill Hub application, which is a mobile application that I have chosen for the users. Skill Hub is a dynamic application designed to help users connect, share skills, and network within various communities. The app facilitates skill exchange by allowing users to join specific communities, find people with similar interests or expertise, and schedule collaborative sessions. It serves as a platform for professionals, hobbyists, and learners to enhance their skills, expand their network, and achieve their learning or professional goals through meaningful interactions. This is the user flow diagram. This flowchart outlines the user interaction with Skill Hub from opening the app to achieving their goals. It starts with the user opening the application. If the user is not registered, they are directed to the account creation page where the user enters their personal details and the details are confirmed. Now, once they register, or if they're already registered, the user logs in by entering their credentials. If the credentials are verified, the user is taken to the home screen. From the home screen, the user can either search for a community with a desired skill set, for example, be it a musician or a designer, or they can directly search for people. If searching for a community, the user browses various communities, identifies one to join, and then joins it. After joining, the user can browse more communities or start browsing people in the joined communities. If searching for people, if searching for people, they can send connection requests directly. Once connected, the user can send messages or schedule a class with the connected individuals. They can also send a message which leads to an exchange of skills and networking, while scheduling a class involves adding it to the calendar, saving it to the calendar, and confirming the schedule. Ultimately, both paths lead to the end goal, which is either exchanging skills and networking or scheduling classes. The process concludes with the user closing the app, having achieved their intended goal. Now, next, I will walk you through the UI design choices for the Skill Hub application. So, showcasing how each screen has been carefully crafted to enhance user experience and functionality. Starting with the open app screen, there is a prominent join now button for new users and a login link for returning users. The simplicity of the screen ensures users can easily identify the next step, whether it's creating an account or logging in. Next comes the create account screen. We see two designs. The first places the login option at the top right corner, providing easy access for users who might have mistakenly navigated here and want to immediately go back without having to read through the entire screen, which saves their time. The second design positions the login option below the form. This positioning encourages users to complete the form before navigating away, reducing the chance of leaving the form incomplete. Both the layouts prioritize a straightforward input process for personal details, ensuring users can quickly and easily complete their registration. For the login screen, there are also two approaches. One design integrates email and password fields prominently with a forget your password link for easy password recovery. The other includes options for social media logins, which caters to users who prefer faster authentication methods. The inclusion of back navigation in both the designs ensures users can effortlessly return to the previous screen if needed. Next comes the personal detail screen, where the users can input specifics about their skills and needs. One design focuses on a single page layout with expandable sections, while the other breakdowns the details into more digestible parts. This segmentation helps users focus on one input at a time, reducing cognitive load and potential input errors. In this, also, the screens are designed in such a way that in one, the user can navigate to the previous page immediately, making it easy for the user and reducing their time, whereas the other screen encourages the user to complete the form before navigating away, reducing the chance of leaving the form incomplete. Next comes the home screen, which features recommendations and a search bar. One version uses a bottom navigation bar for easy access to home messages and profiles, while the other places the navigation bar at the top. The bottom navigation is more thumb friendly, especially on larger devices, promoting easier access to key sections without stretching. Whereas the top placement can be advantageous for users who prefer a more consolidated view, as it frees up the bottom area for content, enhancing visual hierarchy and making the main interactive elements more prominent. Moving on to the browse community screen, the first browse community UI, the navigation bar is again positioned at the bottom, providing easy access to home messages and profile, which is ergonomically efficient and allows users to quickly switch between key sections with minimal hand movement. This layout includes a search bar and filter option at the top, followed by results with an ask to join option for each community, ensuring a straightforward browsing experience. In the second browse community UI, the navigation bar is at the top, integrating home, messages, and profile options, along with a go back button, search bar, and filter option. This placement unifies navigation and search functionalities, creating a cohesive header area. The results section includes a more prominent join button next to each community name, enhancing visibility and interaction. So the next few screens also follow the same design pattern of the navigation bar. This is the browse people in the community screen, where users can connect with people in a certain community and send them connection requests. Next comes the messaging screen, where the users can send messages to each other, network, and expand their skill set by engaging in interesting conversations. This is the Add to Calendar screen that presents options for scheduling classes. One design uses a drop down for date and time selection, making it user friendly for users to input their availability, and also integrating a calendar view, while the other integrates a calendar view along with text boxes to enter the timing according to the user's availability, providing a straightforward user interface which can be more intuitive for some users. Finally comes the confirmation screen, this for scheduled classes. So both these designs provide a clear confirmation message with options to browse more communities, ensuring that the users can continue exploring the app's features seamlessly. So in summary, these UI designs prioritize user convenience and accessibility with thoughtful placement of navigation elements and input fields to enhance the overall user experience. The variations in design allow for flexibility, catering to different user preferences and ensuring a smooth and intuitive interaction with the Skill Hub application. Thank you.